Imagine your own celebration under the stars. Whether a romantic candlelit dinner or an exotic Asian-inspired event, the garden is the perfect environment for the wedding or celebration of your dreams. Explore the exuberant setting, the winding paths, the ancient lanterns, a peaceful waterfall, and the koi pond of the Japanese Friendship Garden. The garden combines Zen philosophy and style in a spectacular setting. Your event will be truly unforgettable. The Japanese Friendship Garden is a gem hidden in the heart of San Diego's historic Balboa Park. The garden's quiet and flowering landscapes cover 9 acres. The simple beauty of the koi pond has turned it into a preferred location for ceremonies. The pond is located below a wisteria Fujidana bower and is surrounded by the sounds of the waterfall. It is the ideal spot to say "I do" in an intimate wedding ceremony. The majestic backdrop of the ceremonial gate is the perfect location for a larger, grander ceremony. The ceremonial gate is a magnificent location with views overlooking the towering Corinthian-style columns of the neighbors of the organ pavilion. It is ideal setting for events from intimate parties to functions with up to 200 guests. Book your private event today at the Japanese Friendship Garden. They specialize in weddings, corporate events, anniversaries, birthdays, and memorials. For more information, visit niwa.org or call 619-232-2721.